If you have data relating to third parties, i.e. membership lists and things like that, you're holding something which is quite important to the individual and possibly something that someone else might want shared inappropriately. So you need to take steps to keep it securely. Although it's called the Data Protection Act, and people get confused because data is nowadays really is something that people think is an electronic storage, but paper files are under the Data Protection Act, and in fact are more difficult in some cases to actually store because you need to maybe lock them away, put them in files where only certain people have access to them. For a local community group, perhaps what you need to think of is that you would be, getting a bad reputation for a start. You could end up with a fine, and really I'd go back to the trust issues. Really, people in a community group, the people that give you their information expect you to treat you with respect. And I think your reputation is the thing that you'd be most likely to lose. And I think that it's only fair to say that if I gave you my information, I'd want to know that it wasn't shared inappropriately. There's several different methods you can protect data with, depending on what type of data it is, or how it's stored, or how you've retained it. I mean, if it's in electronic files, you can encrypt, and you can keep it in a way that's password secured. If it's paper files, you can keep it in locked cabinets, you can archive it then digitally and destroy original paperwork. So it's just a matter of managing it in the most efficient manner for you, and to make sure that you don't leave yourself open to any sort of criticism. Community Risk Services will be able to look at what data you hold and the reasons you hold it, and the format that you hold it in, and give advice on the best way to securely retain data that's relevant